Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Configure Zabbix 7.4 on Oracle Linux 9 by using MySQL as the database. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Zabbix official website, that is zabbix.com. Then see here the latest release is 7.4. Click on download 7.4 or click on get Zabbix. Then go to Zabbix packages. Then we have to select the platform. See, first we have to select the version 7.4. It is the latest version. Then select the OS distribution. I am on Oracle Linux 9. Okay. Then select the Zabbix components, server, frontend and agent. Okay. Then database. In this video I am going to use database as MySQL and web server as Apache. So first verify these both MySQL and web server is installed or not. So open terminal, sudo systemctl status MySQL D. Provide the password of sudo user. See, MySQL server is installed and it is running. Quit, control A. Next, verify the Apache web server. Sudo systemctl status http D. Hit enter. See, we don't have the httpd service. So install it. Sudo dnf install httpd. Hit enter. See, it is going to install http and these dependencies. Type 5 for confirmation. Version of the Apache web server is 2.4. Okay, type and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status again. See, it is installed but it is not started. So start it. Go to systemctl. Also enable it. I will keep these commands in the video description. Now check the status. See, Apache web server is running and it is enabled. Quit, control it. You can also verify by going to new tab. Just give localhost. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Apache web server. Okay, close this one. Now select these options one more time. Version number, OS distribution, OS version, Zabbix components, database and web server. Once we selected all these options, then come to step 2, that is install and configure Zabbix for your platform. If you have an existing packages, we have to disable by going to this file. I don't have anything, so go to this step, that is installing this RPM package. Copy it, sudo, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now sudo dnf clean all. Sudo dnf clean all. It is done. Next, install Zabbix server, frontend and agent. So copy this entire command. Sudo, paste it, hit enter. See, it is going to install 22 packages and download size is 24 megabytes. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Control A. Now connect to MySQL and create the initial database. So connect to MySQL -u root -p. Provide the password of root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. If you want to install MySQL Server, then search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Oracle Linux. Control A. Now, see here, we have to perform these steps. First, it will create the database, then it will create this Zabbix user, then it will grant the privileges to this user on this database. Okay, then it will set this global parameter equals to 1. So, copy these commands one by one and execute. It is done. Now, create the user. See, I forgot to give the password. Let me. So, I am giving strong password. See, password must be in single or double quotes. Hit enter. Successfully created. Remember this password. Later we need this password to import the data and log into Zabbix Web UI. Okay, so remember this password. Then grant the privileges. Quit. Now import the initial schema and data. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter, then provide the password. See, we have to give this password because I am using user Zabbix here. Okay, so do the same. This will take 1 or 2 minutes. Wait until this import completes. It is done. Now connect to MySQL again, disable, then set this value to 0. So copy it, Control A, MySQL -u, paste it, hit enter, exit, Control A. Now step D, that is configure the database for Zabbix Server. So go to this file, that is Zabbix Server configuration file, sudo vi, paste it, provide the password of sudo user, come down for the DB password. See here, for this DB password parameter we have to give the password of Zabbix user. So DB name Zabbix DB user, then remove the hash for in front of this DB password. Shift A, then give the password that we have given for this user. Escape, :WQ, exclamation. Hit enter. Now see, step D is completed. Now start the Zabbix server agent and agent processes. Copy this command. This will restart. So we have to give sudo at start, hit enter. It is done. Now enable these services. Sudo, paste it. It is done. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status Zabbix -server. See, Zabbix server is running and these are the processes. Okay, give to quit, Control A. Now step 3, that is start using Zabbix. Now step F, that is open Zabbix Web UI and connect. So we have to give this hostname, then Zabbix. Hostname is, type hostname. See, hostname is vbox. Then go to new tab, http://vbox, then Zabbix. Hit enter. Not only hostname, we can also give loopback IP, hostname or IP. See here, welcome to Zabbix 7.4. Then select the default language from this list. Then click on next step. See, check for prerequisites, all are okay. Then click on next step. Then select data type MySQL, database hostname, because MySQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Port number for MySQL is 3306. Database name is Zabbix, user also same. Then provide the password of this Zabbix user. Then click on next step. Not now. Then provide the Zabbix server name. Zabbix is installed on this one, so you vbox or localhost, anything is fine. Vbox. Then default time zone I am not going to change. If you want to, you can select remaining options. I am going with the defaults. Then click on next step. See, this is the pre-installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on next step. See, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend, and this is the configuration file. Click on finish. Now we have to connect to Zabbix. So username is admin, A must be caps, then password is Zabbix. For these credentials, you can check the video description. I have provided username and password. Those are the defaults. Later we can change. Then click on sign in. Not now. See, we have installed Zabbix Server 7.4. Okay, and see here in the left side we have the dashboards, monitoring services, inventory reports, data collection, alerts, users, administration. And see here, if you want you practice more, you can go through these documents or quick start or these videos, you can practice. Okay, then come to users. Again users. Click on, see here we have the admin user. If you want to change the password of this currently logged in user, click on admin, then click on change password. Then you have to provide current password and new password. Okay, I'm cancelling. And if you want to create user, click on create user. Okay, as I told you, we can also connect by using localhost /Zabbix. Hit enter. So you got the same. Even you can give loopback IP because it is installed on this machine. /127.0.0.1 /Zabbix. So you got the same login page. Okay, last option that I want to show you is sudo systemctl stop httpd. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, Zabbix server is stopped. Now reload this page. See, you are unable to connect. Even if you go to here, see, unable to connect. Okay, quit it. So Apache server must be up and running. So start it again. It is started. Now reload. See, we have successfully connected. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Zabbix Server 7.4 on Oracle Linux 9 by using MySQL as the database. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.